This is Bhuvaneshwar from Anantapur. This session is about directions and distances. First of all, what is a direction? The direction is the information contained in the relative position with one point to another point without a distance. For example, this is right and this is left and this is up and this is down. What is the distance? The distance is the total movement of an object without any regard to direction. For example, here from point A to from point B, this is called the distance. Cardinal points. There are 8 types of cardinal points: east, west, north and south. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. For doing problems in this chapter, we need to know some basic points. This is east, this is west, and this is north, this is south, and this is southeast, and this is northeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. And mainly, this is clockwise direction, and this is anti-clockwise direction, and this is clockwise 90 degrees, and this is anti-clockwise 90 degrees, and clockwise 180 degrees, and anti-clockwise 180 degrees. What is Pythagoras theorem? The famous mathematician Pythagoras discovered Pythagoras theorem. Here AC is the hypotenuse and AB and BC are remaining two sides of a triangle. The formula for this is hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of remaining two sides square. And what is the hypotenuse? Is the largest side of a right angle triangle, or the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Here AC is the hypotenuse. Now let me explain some problems based on directions. Bhuvan walks 5 km south and then turns to right. After walking 3 km, he turns to left and walks 5 km. Now in which direction is he from starting place? First, Bhuvan walks 5 km towards east. This is east, and this is west, this is north, and this is south. Bhuvan walks 5 kilometers south and then turns to right and walks 3 kilometers and then turns to his left and walks 5 kilometers. Now in which direction is he from starting place? From here to here. Bhuvan is southwest from his starting place. Some problems based on distances. Arjun walks 20 meters towards north, then he turns right and walks 30 meters, then he turns right and walks 35 meters, then he turns left and walks 15 meters. Finally he turns to left and walks 15 meters. Find how many meters he travelled.
Start.
First, Arjun walks 20 meters towards north. And he turns right and walks 30 meters. Then he turns right and walks 35 meters. And then he turns to left and walks 15 meters. Finally, he turned to left and walks 15 meters. Find how many meters he travelled. 20 plus 30 plus 35 plus 15 plus 15. Finally, total distance is 20 meters plus 30 meters plus 35 meters plus 15 meters plus 15 meters. So finally answer is 115 meters. Now let me explain some problems based on directions and distance. Yash walks 2 kilometers east and turns left and walks 2 kilometers and turns right and walks 3 kilometers and again turns to left and walks 4 kilometers. At last he takes right turn and walks 3 kilometers. Find the distance and direction from initial to final position. First, Yash walks 2 kilometers east. And turns left and walks 2 kilometers. And turns left, walks 2 kilometers. And turns right, walks 3 kilometers. And again turns to left and walks 4 kilometers. And again turns to left and walks 4 kilometers. At last he takes right turn and walks 3 kilometers. Find the distance and direction from initial to final position. We need to find distance from point A to point B by using Pythagoras theorem. First, distance of AC is 2 plus 3 plus 3, 8. And distance of BC is 6 kilometers. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, the distance of AB is 10 kilometers. This is the distance and direction from initial position to final position. The direction is from initial position, he is going like this. He is going from point A to point B in northeast direction. So the direction is northeast. Now let me explain problems with reference to two persons. K is 40 meters southwest of L. If M is 40 meters southeast of L, then M is in which direction of K? First, K is 40 meters. Here is the K and L. If M is 40 meters southeast of L, M is, here is the M is 40 meters southeast of L. Then M is in which direction of K? Here M is in east of the K. Now let me explain some problems by changing directions. If east becomes south, then in which direction should a man move towards north? Actual, this is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. But in question, the directions have changed. He told if east becomes south, that means here is the south. And this is north, and this is east, and this is west. Then in which direction should a man move towards the north? In actual, this is the north, but by the question, he is going towards east. Now let me explain some problems based on clockwise direction. Venkat is facing towards east, he turns towards north and walks for 5 kilometers and then turns 270 degrees clockwise and walks for 12 kilometers more. What is the minimum distance between his initial and final position? First, Venkat is facing east and turns to north and walks for 5 kilometers. And then he turns 270 degrees clockwise and walks for 12 kilometers. and walks for 12 kilometers. What is the minimum distance between his initial and final position? This is the initial point, this is the final point. The minimum distance is the difference of initial and final position. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find this one. Finally, 13 kilometers is the answer.